How to fix the camera glitch on Roblox application. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're having troubles with the Roblox camera, here are some of the fixes that should help. Step 1. Restart the Roblox app. Close all of the background applications and then open it once again and see if the camera glitch is resolved. Another thing you can check is in-game camera settings. For this, you can head over to the More icon and then to the Settings. From the Settings option, you can find the camera mode such as Classic or Follow and try to switch between them. Adjust the sensitivity for smoother camera movements and test the changes to see if the issue has been solved. After that, make sure to clear the cache for the Roblox application. In order to do so, head over to the Roblox app, long press it, and head over to the option App Info. After that, tap on Storage and Cache and then clear the cache. Once again, open the app and check if the problem persists. Always make sure you have updated the app to the latest version. In order to confirm it, head over to Play Store, search for Roblox and check if any update is available. If yes, update the app to ensure you're using the latest version. However, if it does not help, uninstall it completely from the device and reinstall it. This way, temporary glitches will also be solved. Some games may have specific issues or bugs causing the camera glitch. To test the camera in different games to see if the problem persists. However, if nothing works, you'll have to report the issue to the Roblox support for further assistance. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.